Listen to me, devotees. Elephant caretaker Neelakantan, if you are nearby, please come to the temple as soon as possible because there's an important work to do. Elephant caretaker Neelakantan, if you are nearby, please come to the temple because there's an important work to do. Please come as soon as possible. Elephant caretaker Neelakantan has not yet come to the temple. If you are nearby, please come to the temple as soon as possible. There's a work to do.
Bapu, where did the Neelakanta go?
He went to the bathroom.
When did he go?
An hour before.
Oh.
Please be careful. He would have escaped somewhere.
What are you talking? In this time he has gone somewhere. Come, let's go and see.
Where should we search for him?
Here, come. Neelakanta.
Neelakanta?
Hey man, did you see Neelakanta?
No.
Ayyo, where did he go, man? Did you see?
No.
Oh, nobody has seen him.
I'm repeating the same thing. Neelakanta has not yet come to the temple. Come as soon as possible to the temple. Temple Secretary Peethambaram wants to talk to you.
I have to shut down this mic guy first of all. Hey, Neelakanta.
An important announcement right now. Totangarai P. Keshavan has lost his waist chain in the temple premises. If anybody finds it, please return it to the temple committee as soon as possible. I got it, Peethambaram. I found it.
You found him? Yeah, very good news. Come, we'll go bring
It
him.
is not possible.
Why?
What I found is chain.
Come, let's go search him. Come. Oh, Neelakanta.
Neelakanta,
Oh.
where did he go?
Where did this Neelakanta go?
If we ask Seenu, we'll know about it.
What is that?
Come, Peethambaram, follow me.
To where?
Come with me.
Padmavati, from now onwards, don't give this to Adhavan. Due to the festival, he'll drink a lot of it.
You have just now started this business, right? At the end of the day, when you go to jail, I won't be there with you.
If he drinks this stuff a lot, he'll definitely go to heaven.
Vasu!
Oh my god.
Hey, did you come across our Neelakanta?
Which Neelakanta?
How many Neelakantas you know?
Oh, elephant caretaker Neelakanta. He came here.
When?
He was here at 4 o'clock and drank 1 liter of arak. He returned at 5 and drank 1 more liter. He returned at 6:30 and drank 1 more liter. He returned at 7 o'clock and drank some more of it.
Then do you know where did he go?
Bring him here, I'll definitely ask him.
Hi, shut up!
Huh?
Oh god, what is happening here? Come man, let's go find him first. Let's take small steps forward. Come, we'll go. What man? You're going to enjoy the festival? You come to see Keshavan. I am there always with Keshavan. What would you say, man? Sir, what is this, Keshavan? Why would you spoil my name like this? Agree my words and behave. I'll give you food. I'll give you fruits. I'll give you banana. What is this, Neelakanta? I told you very long back I'm going to bring the elephant. Is that stepping one step further? He's standing as if he's in the well. What is this? What's wrong with you, Neelakanta? What is wrong with me? Today's festival, right? For that I had 1 bottle. While coming, I heard my Savitri lost her gold jewelry. That was very sad. I felt really bad. When I feel sad, you know what? I'll have 1 more. While I was coming back, I again heard her announcement that she got her gold jewelry back. That time I was very happy. You know what happiness is? That time I had. After I was finishing it and came back, Kaladka was asked me money. I was very sad. You know what I do when I sad? I know only a drama. Get on, man. Idiot, don't laugh. This one you'll get it. I'm trying to get down. Oh my god. When is the festival? You'll get to know now.
Come, follow us.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Properly. Oh my god, he just disappeared.
What if he dies today? How are you feeling now? I'm feeling okay. That is good. I'll give you more. Come. Come. I'll show you. Come.
While going to the temple, if the chain is lost, there's a logic behind it. If the earrings are lost too, there's logic. It will be in ears. If the waist chain is lost, I can't believe it and there's no logic also. Where will that be? It will be in the hips only.
Let it be wherever it wants. It's not yours, right?
If it is mine,
What would you do?
leave it. It's not mine.
First you drink this half bottle, then we can talk about that waste chain.
Listen, I've drank more than half bottle.
Oh, you have a lot of capacity at this age.
Oh, temple president is here.
Sit. What, Ratnavali? How are you doing? Shankara, how are you
I'm
doing?
fine, I'm
Tell me, President, what's your opinion about the waste chain?
I will tell you in briefly.
Ah.
It is also used as a
Ah.
decorative material, but not only for decoration. It is also useful for many purposes. If you come this side, they will use different name. If you go there, they will use different name. That's all.
That is not the point, President. I'm
What
talking
else?
about Savitri's waste chain.
Oh, that one. This one is mainly used to make the women more beautiful and very gorgeous. This is useful. When they said it fell on the ground and it went missing, you should just imagine about our land, Vasu. Vasu?
Neelakanta is here. Hey, Neelakanta,
Ah.
how did Savitri lose her waste chain? Tell me, did someone hold her waist?
Why are you talking unnecessarily about Savitri?
What would you do?
Oh my dear, wait. No.
Vasu, what is this?
Okay,
How dare
stop
you
it.
touch me after coming to
Stop
my
it
shop?
Man.
Okay, stop
it. He's talking about my Savitri. I have to leave him alone. Huh? I will not leave him.
No, wait.
Leave my hands.
Stop it. Stop this vehicle.
Oh, what? Today is Banda, what?
I'll tell you everything. Get down.
Yeah, slowly. Shankara, what? Where did he go? He vanished or what? Keshava, you ate him or what?
I'm here.
Huh? How did you get there? Why are you sitting in my place?
Ha, from now onwards, I'm the driver.
Then am I a cleaner?
You're not a cleaner. You're a parrot. You lost your job.
Losing my job. What is this, a business? If you are telling so, do you have any the writing or what?
You want the letter, right? Go and meet the temple committee. They'll give it to you. Let's go.
So you don't want me? Then why is this needed to me? To gaze cows? Listen, take this and go, man.
Oh my god. I don't even know where did he get that hip chain. Even after marrying you after so many years, you haven't told me about that chain. Now people of this village have some topic to talk. My son has taken debt from all over the village. You never thought of giving that chain to him.
I've already given my chain and bangles to him.
You don't have idea why did he sell? To be happy with you.
The whole village knows whether I'm happy or not.
Hey? Okay, listen, you're talking about your husband. Don't you forget it. Let that bugger come again. I'll take care of him.
Savitri, I have a good news for you. Job is gone again. Are you sad?
Oh, feel ashamed of you. Isn't this your 54th job you have lost?
Mom, don't give wrong information. This is 53rd time.
You have left the job of taking care of elephants. Now what will you do?
You always talk like a child, right? You know what you speak. If work is gone, work will come.
Oh, you will get a job. Huh?
Mom, can you give me 10 rupees, please? I'll return very soon.
Get the job first, then I'll give you.
I pity her. I don't know how she will manage with me.
What did you say?
Snake! Snake!
Oh God. Where?
Snake, where did it go?
Where is the snake? Where is the
It's
snake?
surrounded in
Oh
your
God,
waist.
no. Oh no, I am
You
scared
see
of
properly.
it. Let me check. Wait, where?
Where did
Oh
it
God,
go?
where? Where did
Where
it go?
did it go? I'm with you only, right?
Just tell me where did it go?
Even I'm looking for that only.
Oh God, I don't know where
Where
did you see
did
the
it go?
snake. Oh no!
Oh God!
Oh
Snake!
God. This is not snake, duplicate hair.
Then where did the snake go? Did you hide it? Take
No.
it off. Where it is? Is the snake knocking the door?
What happened, Mom?
Oh.
The way we screamed, she might have thought something else. Tell her nothing is like that. Tell her.
What is it you're laughing at? Go inside.
Hey, she wouldn't have known anything.
What is your problem now?
Oh, that one. I felt like that I saw something in my dream.
Oh, is it? Snake and your dreams. Just go to bed again. Let me sleep peacefully.
I lost my sleep now. Will snake will arrive again?
Dushyanta? Dushyanta!
Dushyant is a father.
Go away, stupid Dushyanta.
If I get you now.
Do this for you today.
Dushyanta.
Dushyant is a father.
Yes, your father only. Do you have any doubt, Dushyanta?
Arey, listen to me, Dad. I've told you a lot of times that don't call me using that old king's name. According to government records, it's been 8 months and 9 days that I've changed my name to Apuraj.
Oh,
Ah.
but 28 years before I named you Dushyanta.
You should have placed a crown on my head. Why did you forget that?
Doesn't matter you are wearing a crown or not, but you are a Dushyanta for me, right? So,
I really hate listening to that name.
oh, that is the matter. Son Dushyanta.
Dushyant is a father.
Father?
I'm your son only.
Ah.
If I stand here only, I'll definitely
Oh.
kill someone. What would I do going to the
Oh.
jail at this age?
Huh? Where did this come from? Did some Mohini come and pour this?
Yes.
Huh?
Here.
Ah.
A couple of minutes back, Mohini was walking here and the flowers fell from her hair. You keep that, okay?
What a fragrance. Kamadeva's flower. I have seen this somewhere. Where did I see? Same flower. This is also same flower. Kamadeva's flower plant is this one only.
Hold it properly.
Just stay still.
Don't tickle me.
What are you doing? Sit
They have
quietly.
begun this in morning. This person is so old, still no manners. Just by listening, I'm getting annoyed. Chiche.
Oh, wait.
I'm getting tickled.
I know what to do.
Oh my god, it is
You sit
tickling.
quietly.
Oh, little slowly. I'm feeling shy.
Ishvara, maybe he's the form of Kamadeva.
Enough. I'm telling you, no, enough.
Snake! Snake!
Oh, snake! Oh my god!
Where is
Oh my
it?
god, what to do now,
tell me,
snake?
Where is it?
Snake!
Oh,
my
God.
God. Here
First,
also
let's
snake.
get out.
Ask someone to catch the snake. You go shower and come. I need to talk to you.
You leave that. Why did you come to our bathroom?
I didn't come intentionally. It was an accident.
Accidentally, why were you peeking?
Oh, Sarojini, I didn't peek. Ravuli, will you even believe that I will do such cheap things or what?
Now I came to know there is only one way for this. That is marriage.
I have actually given my word to her. In this lifetime, there is no second marriage.
Instead of peeking like this, getting married is better.
Sarojini, I am a head principal in the school. Talk to me with discipline. When I came here...
At this age, why did you even need that flower?
What, mister? Did you start a new movie with a new teacher?
Oh, Ravuli, nothing like that. Today in my son Dushyanta's bed, there was a rain of flowers.
Flowers?
Rain of flowers. When I came hunting the fragrance of the flower that I found on my son's bed, I found out truth.
Which truth?
The flower came from this garden only. What I am explaining, is it understandable to Ravuli and Sarojini?
Whether I understand or I don't understand, you concentrate on going to the school now. One more thing. On the way, you go see that Ayurvedic doctor. I can see that you have turned little bluish. What is it? Are you having a relationship with that master son? Tell me. I said tell me.
I like him.
Do you know why did I slap you? At the age of studying, you are loving someone. When you come to the age of marriage, I will only get you married. Then you can do whatever you want. Do you have any different opinion? Now go and study.
falling in love is a mistake. I didn't say that.
You did not say that. It makes me very happy if you say this. First, what I'll do is I'll develop my love, then I'll get married.
That is fine only. But don't be in a hurry.
Huh?
Just because I named you Dushyanta, Gandharva style of marriage is not accepted. Do you hear this, Dushyanta?
Dad, listen to me.
Uh?
If you're talking about love topic and call me using that name, I'll only accept it.
If it is not,
Look at me. I'll do it. I'll listen to it.
son Dushyanta.
What?
The relationship between me and Ravali should not actually mix with your love relationship. You should never commit such an act where I will tilt my head down and walk away. If I have to tell you in one line, you should not lose my respect and dignity in front of this society.
Don't worry about such issues, Dad.
Don't make her cry, for God's sake.
No, Dad, I won't do it.
Take care of this sambar. I'll go shower and come.
There's a new announcement, listen to it. The jewelry shops in our town, everything is because of you. You've been the same from a very young age.
Whatever it is, everybody in this village
What?
knows, right? Dushyanta and Shakuntala love each other.
If you call me
Hey,
Dushyanta...
okay, Appuraj.
Look, do you know what love is? It is not about growing fruits using pesticides.
Oh no, this is not something grown like that. You should see for yourself.
Oh.
See, touch and see.
How can I touch it so early? It is turning into fruit now only.
Dushyanta, don't talk nonsense.
If you call me Dushyanta one more time... Oh.
Okay, I'll not call anymore. Dushyanta.
Hey, stop there. Don't call that name. Stop.
पूड़ी कट्टी पूड़ीडा कन्नाड़ा कंडपड़ी कट्टी पूड़ीडा
Ramani sister, are you done?
What is it?
I asked the grains are done.
It was done long back. Give the money and take it out now.
No sister. Our leader's dear friend Kannarana is coming here.
Kannarana will come or he'll go. What is your
How
problem?
will I know? Kannarana comes means he knows what he gets.
What?
Simply I just asked because I can't ask Kannarana.
Why is it?
If I see him, I'll run away.
Who Kannarana?
No, me. Because I didn't pay him money.
Yeah, he was asking about you.
This Kannarana is not a smart man. Why is he behind me? I'm telling him there is no money.
Don't roam in front of him, no, or else he'll kick your butt.
If sister helps me, then it is going to be easy.
I'm not able to repay my debts only.
So for you also it's a loan? For me also it's a loan.
Go from here now.
Then it's okay, sister.
Hey, listen, where is the money?
I want to pay money. This is a grain, right?
What I meant is, give the money and take it away.
Sister,
You know how much you have to repay me?
I told you many times, write it down. See now, you have forgot everything. How can I even remember everything?
But I have not forgotten.
What are you even talking?
Listen to me. Today's money is 5 rupees, so total it is 85 rupees.
Okay, forget the old one. I'll give you the money now.
Give me.
Not now. I'll give this grain to the required person and I'll take the money and I'll give you the money. That's all.
Kannarana. No, I was just telling, be careful, okay?
I want to go to bathroom now. It is coming as if it has kept an alarm. Oh my god, nobody should see this. Oh my snake, you have to live there wherever you are staying now. You have to give me life by staying wherever you are right now. Snake. Very good, snake. Oh, it's not a snake. Oh, my snake, you have to live there wherever you are staying now. You have to give me life by staying wherever you are right now.
Hey, you stop there. Stop.
Oh, he saw me.
Hey, where are you running? Hey, stop over there. Stop. I said stop. Hey, stop.
No,
Hey,
no,
where are you running? I'm telling you.
Oh
Stop
my
it.
God.
Stop over there. Hey, stop it.
Don't
Hey.
hit me.
Hey,
I
you
won't
stop
come back
there.
to your farm again. I'll go
How
find
dare you?
somewhere.
Huh?
Oh my God!
Hey. Where are you trying to
Take this
escape?
as rent and
Oh my
enjoy.
God, shit.
Oh my God!
Hey, I'm telling you now, stop. Give me the money. Give me the money. Give.
Oh, you're talking about
Yeah,
money.
yeah, yeah.
Ayyo. You could have told me there only.
Give me the money.
Yeah.
Give.
Due to safety issues, I've kept money inside this. Take, hold it.
Okay.
Sir, the money and you take it, okay? Savitri, get some water and come. Only one glass. And not to drink. Okay, don't want. I'll adjust with this. Kannar is going to bring it. Don't forget it.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Who
stop
is
it.
this? Oh my God! What is this?
Hey, where is he?
Oh no! Stay away!
Where is he? I'm
Stay
asking
away
now.
from
Where
me.
is he?
Don't touch! Don't touch! Oh no! What is this?
Now you came to know.
Oh, your Kannar, is it? What happened to you?
Look, old lady, don't speak like teasing. Where is that beggar?
Beggar?
Your son only I'm asking.
Oh.
When I asked him my money, he did this to me. He put the floor on my face and came
Oh
running.
no! Are you talking about Neelakanta, is it?
No, I'm talking about his father. Hey, now see,
Oh,
will you
no.
call him or not?
New fish, new fish! New fish is very fresh. Oh,
fresh
this guy
river
came now.
fish. Fresh river fish. Hey, stop there. Stand there only.
If you don't send him out, you'll see who am I.
What are you doing here searching for him? He already escaped from the back door.
Oh, you could have also run behind him now.
How can I do it? I'm here with the fishes.
Even he has to pay you the cash, no?
It does not matter to me where the beggar hides. One thing is for sure, I'll definitely find him.
How are you living a life with this kind of a cheater? Look here. If he comes, tell him. I will see him later. If you see him, you inform me, okay?
Okay, I'll keep you informed.
Oh no! Wait!
Fish,
Wait.
fish. What? Don't touch that fish.
What else you have?
Pomfret, bangda, anjal, sardine. But definitely I won't give it to you.
Huh? Why did you say that?
First you pay me the money, then you can purchase the fish and eat it. Even if you don't have the money, you do have a lot of frustration at this old age. Fresh fish, fresh fish.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Boss? Boss?
What is the matter?
I'm very happy now.
Oh, then you are telling me that you are very peaceful.
Don't tease me, boss. My life is in your hands.
That is there from the day when you are born, right? If you want to speak about the job, then don't stay. Go from here.
Not that, boss. I want 100 rupees.
If you get 100 rupees, will your issues will be solved?
And not completely, might be less, that's all.
Sumitra, bring 100 rupees.
Baby, you give me 10 rupees of 5 notes, that's all.
Then you don't need 100 rupees in full.
Not like that, boss. If you give me change, it is going to be helpful, I said. Because I can give the people, right?
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey!
Give it here. I'll never forget this, boss.
If you forget also, I will not forget. Including this 100 rupees, you will have to pay me 5,750 rupees.
So to make it 10,000, how much should I borrow?
4,250 rupees. If you borrow, it will become 10,000.
So when are you going to give me the rest of the money?
When you want, you tell me. Think and tell me.
No need. Boss can think on behalf of me.
You only think and tell me,
No,
man.
it's okay. Boss can think.
You think and tell me.
So can I come back in half an hour?
Why?
To collect the remaining amount.
If I beat you, see.
Why did you run?
I didn't run. Somebody was chasing me. How come you have come this side?
I came to buy some
And
groceries.
do you have some change, coins like that?
I don't have.
It's okay if you don't have 15 rupees. At least you have 14 rupees. You're useful for nothing. At least take some fish.
Fish! Fresh fish! Hey, stop there! Stop there, you idiot! Where do you think you're running? I will kill you!
What happened?
Give me my money!
Money? What is that?
You don't know the reason to pay
No.
me? You need to pay me the fish
About
money!
the fish money, go and ask fish.
I will give you a nice slap! You need to pay me for the food you had!
That one you should tell clearly, right? I would have...
Don't run! Don't run! Shut your mouth!
Leave me, nothing is there.
I'll look at it myself!
No, not
Don't
that.
shout.
Just leave
Show
me.
it to me!
No,
Don't
I just
shout.
told you that there is nothing here.
Don't play this kind of games with me! I will see it!
I told you, right? There is nothing here. I told him I wore nothing.
Oh, let everyone look at this.
Don't do that. Please give me.
Don't touch
please
me.
give me.
Don't touch me. I won't give it to you.
Yo. Oh my God! Look at her. At least till that girl goes away. What if she looks at me?
Oh my God! How did you manage to get a fish?
Take this fish and give my cloth back.
Anyway, you don't have the respect. Why do you want it?
Go now. I'll one day make you remove your underwear also. Nothing. Go.
15, 16, 17.
What are you doing
18.
here?
I was just bathing.
With shirt on you?
I'm bathing wearing my shirt.
Morning when you came, you looked fresh.
That's what. They told that there is some dosha.
Is it?
So that's why I have to shower and then again I have to shower again.
Oh.
Whoever is having this dosha, for 4 days this dosha is not good for them.
Oh.
5th day it is going to be okay.
Oh. How about weekends?
On that day it is a holiday. We don't have to do anything that day.
In that case, bathe as soon as possible. If they open the damn gate, water will flow
Is
away.
it?
Okay.
I'm glad you said it.
What happened?
I'll wash this and come.
And one more thing.
It's okay. You go. What is this? Boss,
What is it? Haven't you gone yet?
I went and actually came back. You have to help me save my respect.
Few moments before only I saved your life. Now you want me to save your respect?
I want a cloth to cover myself.
Sarojini, bring him one cloth piece.
You don't have to trouble her for this. If you give me what you are wearing, that's more than enough.
If I give you my cloth, I'll have to stand naked.
Boss, anyway, you're inside, right?
Who's come without clothes?
Then he has come without the dress. Sarojini, you don't go. I will give it to him. Give it to me.
Huh?
Where are you coming behind? You also want to see that? Go do your work inside. Take it. What nonsense.
Don't worry, boss. I'm not naked.
This is the right cloth for you. Then why do you need this one?
You should actually save my respect, boss. If they have opened the dam now?
Why are you bothered about that?
No, it'll be full of water, right?
If it gets dried also, why are you bothered?
Because that lady is standing there without wearing anything.
Okay, take it. What to do with this guy? Hey, don't go there. Don't change in front of the elephant. It will get scared.
Oh, okay, I won't.
I'm only seeing you run from the day we married. I also joined you. However, I thought all this will end one day.
Savitri, even you are talking like this about me. Even I want to stop running. I also wish it. But it's not possible.
Who is the reason for it? Have you ever thought about it?
It's a destiny. What else can I say?
Oh, now you're blaming your destiny?
I am not mistaking any others.
Okay. Everything is my mistake. Till today, whatever you do, I never asked you anything. I did not speak anything. But I'll ask you one thing today. Can we lead our life with mental peace for at least one day?
Now we are happy, right? I've roamed the entire village. The entire village is scolding me. Now you are happy, right? Hey, last time I've come here to see you. I'll go. I'll leave this land and go somewhere. It's alright. Why should I even live a life like this? Now you might be thinking that I've come here to speak about leaving. No, I've come here to ask money for travel. Don't give just like that. Give me as a loan. If you leave my hand right now, I don't have anybody except you. You are okay, right? I guess he is fine. Oh, please forgive me. Hey, this is a loan. I am going to give it back very soon. Oh God. Oh God.
Thief!
Hey, thief, 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 thief!
Hey, thief! What are you doing?
I'm not a thief. I'm Neelakanta.
You're not Neelakanta, you're a thief.
Hey, come here, man.
Eh?
You're coming here to steal the guard's money. Not stealing. I've asked him loan. It's a loan. You can ask him.
Do you think God is a financer to take a loan from him? Nonsense.
Hey, this is our business. You don't have to poke your nose here.
Sriram
what is it?
don't leave this matter here only.
All these days I was actually suspecting about Pitambaram.
Ah.
Now I got to know who it is.
Nothing like that. To leave this place, I didn't have money.
Then you thought of running away.
Then who will pay us the loan?
Leave this place, go somewhere, work and get money and return back. Get out, man.
How can it be? Let police handle this case.
Neelakanta, you have to pay everyone's dues, right? Till you return all the money, you are a public property. What do you say?
What
okay?
does it mean? We will be using you.
You cannot run away from this village.
Okay, I'm not leaving. Tell me what to do now.
Kanara, make a quick decision.
Your loans is the village issue now. In front of the village people only we have to take a decision. Those who all have suffered because of you will call all of them and will take a decision. What do you say?
Correct. Whoever has to get money from Neelakantan, we'll ask them to attend a meeting.
Let's all begin with the prayer. Come, Neelakantan. Where is not to be seen?
Here coming.
Hey, when you're coming for a good cause, will you dress like this? Can't you wear a good dress?
Then you're...
Okay, go.
Lord of the universe, only you can protect. Protection is the thing which I need now. Whenever.
Enough of singing. Go stand over there. Go. What do you want?
I need to adjust.
Dear friends, in the history of this world, for the first time, for arranging this kind of meeting, for giving an opportunity for our village panchayat, we will say thanks to our respected Neelakantan. Am I right? I don't have to introduce Neelakantan to you all, right?
We know him very well and that is why we gave him the money.
You have taken from him also. Please don't interrupt in between. It's a meeting.
What is he talking about?
Meeting is about Neelakantan and nothing else.
In that case, we'll straight away come to the matter.
No, it's not possible. We will tell everybody that what is this meeting regarding. Then we will come to this matter. What? Okay?
We are not here to listen to your words. We are here for the money.
Who are you to tell me?
Oh, stop it. Will you sit down now?
Sit down.
We don't want any issues here. We don't want any discussions in this meeting. Straight away we'll come to the matter. Neelakantan has not maintained accounts regarding loans, but I and you all know how much he has to return the money to us. You all give us the exact account details, how much he has to return the money to us. Pitambaram, go make a note with everyone.
You now understood what he said, right? One by one come here and tell me how much money did Neelakantan owe you? Yes, okay. How much is it?
You should give me 500 rupees.
86 rupees.
Okay, 86 rupees.
Pitambaram, it is
Wait,
200.
I'm writing it.
Make a note about mine too.
Okay, yours is
Hey, you didn't take
1200.
mine. You didn't take
Okay, how
mine.
much is yours, man?
Hey,
Okay,
write down the fine.
80. How
Come
much?
here, no.
Please write down mine.
Okay. Hey, don't worry, man. I've written it.
He has purchased fish from me.
It's okay. How much is yours?
678 rupees.
678
It
rupees.
is only for the fish.
for me.
650 rupees.
50 paisa.
23 rupees 50 paisa.
Pitambaram, is it ready or not?
It is ready, sir. Nobody is left out, right?
Bring it here.
Take this, Murari, and give me a hand. I'll come up.
My dear villagers, those who are waiting till now, Neelakantan's total loan figures are with us now. I will read it now. You will all come to know. You all have to appreciate and start clapping. Grocery shop Satyavan 3000 rupees. Cracker shop guy 46 rupees. Ration shop Kumar 110 rupees 25 paise. Farm owner leader Kanaran 4250 rupees. Moidu 68 rupees.
It is not Moidu something. It is Moiduddin.
Moidu won't you give little space? Moidu 68 rupees. Liquor shop Vasu 175 rupees. Padmavati milk 85.
What? It is Milk Lady Padmavati.
Can't you leave little space in between? Milk Lady Padmavati 86 rupees. Barber Nagu 17 rupees 50 paise. Very important. The total amount of loan our Neelakantan has to pay us all is 1,37,433 rupees 50 paise.
Oh, so much in total. Who is going to give it?
You are only have to give.
Oh my God, what happened?
What happened
What
to
has
him?
happened?
Oh my God, did he fall?
Nilakanta,
Oh
what
no,
happened to
what
Nilakanta?
happened? Now who will pay our debts?
All of you don't stand over here like this. He will die. Where did he go?
He vanished.
Oh my God. Nilakanta, where are you?
My son Keshava, this Neelakantan is going to leave this body now. In front of the people who has loaned me, I act like it is a suicide. You have to cooperate to me. If I win in this, I will fill your whole stomach with fruits only. You should not disturb me after that.
Hey Nilakanta,
Hey,
what are
Nilakanta.
you doing, man?
Hey, Nilakanta.
Oh, I
Very
should begin now.
dangerous. Get down, get
Hey,
down.
what are you doing, Nilakanta? What is this foolish thing you are doing here?
Yes, because of my foolishness only. Now I am standing in front of you. Don't deviate the topic without paying back. I am talking about paying back only.
What will you do keeping that in your hand?
By holding this, I am going to place swings here. You don't understand. I am using it to hang myself.
Listen here. Police and fire force have been informed. If they come, you will be jailed.
It is not me who is going, it is you. Take a look at this. This is a suicidal note. The reason for my death, it is going to be you guys. You know that? Hey, we can solve everything. Come down. Hey, shut up. When you guys held a meeting, I thought my loans will be waived off. But now only I understand what happened.
Oh, you come down now.
No, I've decided I want to kill myself.
Oh no.
Hey,
What is
no,
this
What
guy
is he
God.
doing?
Hey,
What is he doing?
himself.
What is this
Nilakanta,
guy
Oh my
doing?
God, he's going
don't
to die.
do like this.
Why is he angry?
Please
Come
stop
down.
him.
Listen to me.
Somebody stop
don't
him.
do it.
Oh my God, he's going to hang
no,
him.
come down. Nilakanta.
Someone die.
Oh, God.
Somebody do something.
Do something.
Nilakanta.
Oh my God.
Take this, Nilakanta. Eat it. Eat it happily.
Eat this orange too.
You guys had so much love. Now only I'm getting it.
At this crucial time, I'm very happy that the branch was very weak and it broke off.
No. We don't have to get details of him.
Let us not inform to his house.
is it?
His wife will cry and his mother will scold us.
Oh.
Dear Nilakanta, eat this apple.
Ah.
It will make you healthy.
Ah.
Eat it.
Nilakanta, I do have a bottle. Do you want to drink it?
You people stop feeding him now. If you have finished your lecture means move aside. I need to speak to him. We saved him for all of us, right? Oh. Why are you crying now?
After seeing them in their hardship, I couldn't tolerate, boss.
You should get well soon and come. We all are wishing the same. Do you know that?
What is that?
As you fell from the tree, did you forget regarding the loans?
Ayyo, if he forgets also, how can we forget?
Then we'll do one thing. Let us waive off all the loans which he has to give.
What waiving off? You can waive off your money, but I want all my money back.
I really don't care about others, but I want my fish money.
I want my liquor money.
Then my money.
Oh my god, what is this situation? Suddenly these guys showed their true colors.
Dear Nilakanta, this is the life, man.
I don't want to leave, boss. Give me a little poison.
Poison? Hey, Kanara, did you hear what he said?
If you die, who is going to give us money? I don't think I can pay your money back in this life.
Oh yeah.
Regarding this loan matter, we have to do something and take decision.
Regarding his loan amount, I have thought something. There is going to be only one way.
What is the way?
Wrestling competition. There's a wrestling competition in our temple. The wrestling competition is only for male only. The wrestling competition is actually held in order to clear off Neelakantan's debt money. In order to save him from the debt, we have arranged this wrestling competition only for Neelakantan.
This time is so beautiful. Oh, look how beautiful I am. Let me keep this flower also. Wait, I am coming now. Who is it? I don't know. Hey, Moido. Why have you come so late? Huh?
I have a desire from a very long time.
What?
The thing is that I want to...
Hey, get out.
Don't shout. People will come here and they'll harass me.
If you want respect, get out now. Go away.
What are you doing here?
The thing is that I was here to collect my fish money.
Fish money?
Uh.
Are you selling in midnight?
Hey, oh my god, I was only joking.
Your joke is very funny. Once again, if I see you over here, I'm gonna break your leg now. Go from here. Go.
Huh? You should have hit him more, isn't it?
As everyone is knowing about you, that is why the fish guy is coming around you. I know about it.
Listen, you doubt on me also, right?
No, I am not doubting on you. That is why I came here, no? Take it.
But you don't have to go today.
Have I come to go away from here? I will welcome our wrestler of our village. Put in the garland.
Where's the crackers, man?
Hey, who is that idiot who is not allowing me to sleep peacefully?
Who are you?
I'm a wrestler.
Then who is he?
He is my assistant.
Then put the garland to him, da.
Oh, you come here 1 minute. Even if I put it or take it, he will slap me.
Our wrestlers always do that. You do that, man.
Okay.
We already did that.
Who are you?
I am Damayanti. What is your name, wrestler?
Olympian Budhan Appachan.
Your name is Olympian's ghost.
Stop with your nonsense. Just look at him. He's a big person.
Have you played in Olympics?
Who are you, man?
I am Kanar. I am the branch secretary.
Who is that?
If I want to tell it properly, they are cheaters. But they have said it properly in English.
Do you think if they communicate in English, I won't understand? What do you think?
Oh my god, wrestler! Just yesterday we got him discharged from the hospital.
Get out of my sight. Don't play games with me. I'm very hungry.
We'll do one thing. You take him to your house.
To my house.
That's right.
Ayo.
Is he the one you were talking about to help you about your debts?
Do you know? I'm a wrestler.
Amma, he is representing wrestling.
Oh, is it? Come sit.
Let that be. First of all, I'm very hungry. I need some food.
Mama, he is asking to eat something.
I need the menu card.
No need of money. You have come to help us about our debts. It's not good to take money from you.
Even my dog won't eat normal food.
Can I get that food here?
I leave this place.
No.
Don't do
Leave
that.
me. Please leave
Don't
me.
do that, wrestler.
Even if it's old food, give it to me. I'll eat it.
Don't want. In hotel we can eat good food.
I only like home food.
No problem. We can get good food.
No problem. I like the old food.
This is a old food.
Old food is very healthy and it is very good for wrestling. I only eat old
Other
food.
than good food and homely food, I'll get it from outside.
No, I
No, I'll
only
bring it
want
from
old
outside.
food.
I'll
I
bring
want
it from
here
outside.
only.
No,
I
no,
want
no,
it
no,
here
If I go
only.
with him, I'll eat some chicken biryani.
He is Appachan.
Who is this?
That is his name. He is a wrestler.
Yay!
For returning Nilakanthan's loan and also to save my respect, I bought him over here. He's come from Sengotai
But why is he here?
to stay over here. There is no place for him to stay. If he stays over here, only two of you are here, right? To run, jump and do exercise, it will be convenient for him.
For what you are saying, I might have agreed. But in that case, I should also ask my son. Dushyanta,
Dad, did you call me?
son, this is Appachan. He is a wrestler. Here,
I heard everything. It is okay if he wants to stay here, but it should not disturb my education.
He may look like this, but he will not do anything wrong. He is wrestler Electric Estappa's grandson.
oh, is it? Then I've seen his fights, I guess. What a physique it is. Of course, body is the main weapon, you know.
I'm not exaggerating about my grandfather, but he was a very good wrestler. In his lifetime, he went to competition only 2 times, but the 3rd time he was dead.
Oh my
but
God.
I'm ready to continue the family legacy. What will you do? I'll continue it.
He's not a normal wrestler. He's well educated. He knows poetry also. You'll have a nice company.
Then he'll be very happy. Why does this wrestler need poetry?
Don't talk like that. Just because he's a file man doesn't mean that he has got no knowledge in literature. Not only 5 days, you can stay here for 10 days.
Then let him be here. You think it is your own house?
You don't have to say it separately. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
Have you bought your clothes for changing?
Hey, when I'm sleeping, I don't wear anything. It is not good for muscles.
Shall I leave?
Okay.
No one is here.
Who are you? I didn't get you.
I know you don't know me, but think about 2 years back.
What is that? I don't understand.
Do you know Shahar Bank's manager?
Ah, yes, the Ramandan Iyer, the tall fat guy.
I am that manager.
Ayyo, what is this?
You're asking what happened? 2 years back when I gave you that loan amount, I was like him. I weighed 120 kilos. In order to recover the loan amount from you, I lost the weight and I weighed 22 kilos. When you requested me, that is why I gave you the loan amount.
Like you said, nothing has even changed now. Please give some more time.
Huh? You need more time? In order to give you more time, I don't have that energy.
To help me clear my loans off, there is a wrestling master. Once I get the money, I'll pay them to the bank.
I really can't wait till then. If you don't clear the debt within tomorrow, we are going to seize your house. Huh?
If I want to do it like that, I have to get to another bank, that's all.
Huh? To get the loan?
To commit a crime, do I have to become a thief?
Do whatever you want, but pay the money within tomorrow, or else we'll seize the house. Let's go.
Oh my god. What kind of test is this? Please help me to come out of this. Please keep this and give me 6,000 rupees.
6,000 rupees? Are you joking?
If I don't get that, I'm going to kill myself.
Really?
Boss, I promise on the wooden logs here.
Whatever it is, in this condition, we can't let you to die. If you want money means, there are some conditions.
I won't get money. You will find my dead body in the pond.
How is it? If you hang yourself, how your dead body will be in pond?
Boss, if I don't pay back to bank, they are telling they are going to seize my house.
What you're saying is true?
Yes.
I'll give you the money.
Boss, you're really a god to me. Take this gold.
I don't need this.
Then I don't want any money.
This situation is like catching the tiger's tail. Neelakanta, you don't have to pledge this to take money from me. Don't you know this?
I know that, boss. You have given so much of money, right? Just for my satisfaction. Keep this with you. I'll give the money and take it back.
Where did you go and sell it? Tell me. Tell me, whom did you give that chain to? Jewelry store?
No,
Then where did you go and sell it?
I didn't sell it. I've kept it to get the money.
I want that chain back.
That won't happen, Savitri.
Why so?
Because I gave the money to bank.
Why bank?
If I don't give the money, they said they're going to seize the house.
Oh, so you have pledged our house as well?
When I didn't have money.
If you get a chance, you'll pledge me also, right?
Don't kill me like this with your words, Savitri.
The moment you pledge that chain, it's like pledging me. You don't know the importance of that chain.
Savitri.
No, don't talk anything. I don't even want to see you.
It is a beautiful weather, it is a beautiful sunshine, and I'm washing my clothes.
A lovely rain of flowers, my love towards you. How come you're not wearing shirt?
Don't
Let
touch.
me touch you.
Don't
Let me
touch.
touch
Otherwise,
you. Oh, what will you do? Let me do you something. See here? See here?
Hey, stop! Don't run! Don't run away from me! Stop! Hey, hey, hey! I caught you finally. Do you think you can escape from me, huh? Get away from me!
I am glad I came in time. Nothing has happened. God's grace.
What else should happen apart from this? You tell me, as if nothing has happened.
Rahuli, whatever happened is gone. By taking tension, nothing will happen.
It may be usual for you, but not for me. It has happened to my daughter. You know it, right?
Your daughter is like my daughter, right? What are you trying to say, Rahuli?
By thinking like that only this has happened.
Even you have committed a mistake. In the name of a wrestler, you brought a thief into the house, right?
Do I have to know this from you now?
Sarojini sister, you have to make him understand.
Yeah.
You shut up and sit quietly in a corner.
Listen.
Your son is also cheated me now.
Mistake is from our side also.
Get out from here. I will break your bones now.
Master, your son and the wrestler are fighting. Hey!
What happened?
What happened?
What happened over there?
Why is he
are they
beating him?
fighting?
Hey,
Hey,
come
why is he
on,
beating?
man. Hitting him.
Leave him.
Oh my God, he is eating ourselves.
Don't stop it!
Oh, someone is
God.
eating us.
How you became Pailwan now?
I committed a mistake, Master. Please forgive me.
Do you need forgiveness for this? Get out!
Please give me some space.
Wrestler game! Wrestler
Wrestler
game! Wrestler game! Hey! While looking Neelakantan's wife Savitri, did you observe Wrestler's face?
None of us had a look at Wrestler's face. We were looking at Savitri's face. After looking at Wrestler, there's a lot of change in Savitri's face.
Everyone is actually attracted to Savitri.
Don't talk such things in front of me. Do you understand, Shankara?
You shut up. How do you know what is there in between a man and woman?
You shut up.
He always keep talking about it only. Go ya.
We all know who Kannara is actually desiring over here.
You wait there. Now what is the problem? Is there anything between Savitri and wrestler?
Why don't we ask the wrestler straight away?
Then you can fight with the wrestler. You'll get everything how much you wish.
How can I say all of you that I'm in love and I'm in love? Oh, all of you are here itself. How come?
You can see how is this place for you. It took 1 hour for us to arrange this for you. Did you like it or not?
Oh, this is enough for me.
We have a doubt, sir.
Of course, you can ask whatever doubts you have, but ask only regarding the wrestling.
This is not about it.
What else?
We were talking about Savitri.
Regarding Savitri?
Is there anything between you and Savitri?
Stop it.
Hey.
How long you are discussing this? What doubt you are having?
No.
What's your doubt?
No, when did you start fighting?
You tell me now, we'll start at the same time. Before that, if you keep asking this sense of doubt, then you'll not be having life in your body. Got it?
Okay.
Hey, go,
Okay.
go from here.
Come,
All of you
let's
go.
go. Come.
Hey, you also go. Go from here. Wrestler, till this competition gets over, I will be with you only, okay? You can ask me whatever you want.
In that case, tomorrow you bring liquor for me.
You don't take anything seriously what these village people talk.
What did they tell?
That thing, Savitri is like,
Savitri is like...
The villagers are speaking so much.
Why would they not speak? You have taken so much debt from all of them.
Not about that one.
Then what?
Savitri, can you think about it?
I don't have time to think about it. You only think about it.
They're talking about Savitri.
About me?
Yes. The wrestler's face has changed as soon as he saw you. And they're telling that even your face has changed when you saw him.
Even though it's truth, why should they bother?
Then Savitri know him from before only.
I know.
How?
We are from the same village.
Not that I wanted to know. I want to know about our relationship.
Relationship?
Yes, I want to know about it right now.
I don't have any relationship with him like you think.
Then they're talking like that. There is no smoke without fire.
So, you don't believe me and believe the whole village? We are already struggling at home. And this doubt also. Think about what all you have done. You have taken debt from the whole village. You sold everything that we own. And you sold my favorite chain also.
As far as my knowledge, Rahul is not a person who pawns gold and gives money. It was my mistake. I forced him to keep it. I never in my dreams thought this is going to be a such big mistake. At least from now on, you should stop pawning these things and taking money. Everything was a situation driven. I couldn't even change it. Have you ever heard of a Uttaman and Adaman story? Sir, kindly, I'm not in a mental state to listen any stories. Till here you have sunk yourself in the debts. How can I even save you? Tell me. Not only from you, I know that. In this whole earth, nobody can do that. If I can get that back, that is more than enough. Without giving the money, how can he give that back? Master knows Ravani very well, right? If you tell him, it is going to happen. I know. I'll see what I can do. I came by bus. Keep this and go by auto. Time of destruction, people use so much of intelligence.
Wait. There is some problem going on in this house. I got to know now itself.
Taking bath is such a big mistake means then I will never take bath.
It is not about that.
Then what else?
When did you start keeping things and giving money to them?
I never did such type of business.
Don't lie about it. Didn't you give money to Neelaganta about it?
Oh my god, everyone came to know about that. It is true that I gave money to Neelakantan. He got something and gave it to me forcefully. I don't know whether it is gold or copper. I never opened it.
Are you not ashamed to take jewelry from an innocent and give money?
Let it be now. While giving money, I and Neelakantan, we both only were there. Then how you came to know? I'm not understanding.
Haven't you read news?
Oh, it came in newspaper. Oh, this media people and press people, what should I do with
It
them?
hasn't come in the paper and all. You're making fun of it. Master told about it.
How did master came to know?
Why do you want to know that? You give back that jewel to him or else it won't be good.
Does gold stinks?
Not that, it's you.
That's why I'm going to take
That
bath.
you can do later. First give me that jewel.
Now itself?
Yeah, now itself.
Oh God.
Nice welcome. You're Neelakantan's mother only. Can you keep that broomstick down?
Oh. I was just shocked seeing you here.
Suddenly I didn't come. I came here walking very slowly, right?
Is there any problem?
Do you think I came here to give you trouble? If you think that way, don't you think you have crossed that age now?
I just asked why have you come here?
What is it? Is there any rule that I should not come over here? You tell me. If it is there, I'll leave right now.
Oh, nothing like that, sir. I was just asking, that's it. Come, sit inside.
Where is your son Neelakantan?
Oh no, did he cheat you also?
How will that happen? His father, that means your expired husband Jnanappan, he himself could never cheat me at all. Then how is it possible your son Neelakantan, you go and bring him over here?
He's not here.
Did he escape by looking at me?
You sit here, sir. I'll get some tea for you.
You go and come. How much ever it is possible, you look after me. After seeing him only, I'll leave from this place. With what intentions you would have given this to me? Whose son is he?
Sir?
You? What is this? What are you doing? Leave me! Leave me! What are you doing? Have you lost your mind?
Yes, I'm mad only. Because of happiness, I'm doing all this, Savitri.
What kind of happiness? Did you get a job?
No, one responsibility is less now.
Responsibility is less?
Whatever it is, Rahul is a very good person. Have you had tea?
No.
Huh?
Why should I give him tea?
It is quite hard. He has come to give the jewel back. At least we can serve him a tea, right?
Did he come to give my chain? Who?
Oh God, then he hasn't given it.
No, he did not.
By seeing him come here, I thought he has given the jewels back.
Without giving the debt money back, how will he give the chain?
Then why did he come here?
How would I know?
Maybe he didn't give it here because I was not here. I'll think about it. Why would he even want my wife's jewels? You give it back. Please give them, Ravali sir. If I don't get that, my life is over. Money? I'll give it, Ravali. I promise on my mom. He's talking to himself. He has gone mad or what? Neelakanta! Come here. Master, what is the matter? You have achieved what you have thought. Without giving the money, you have taken your jewels, right? Without giving money, I got it back. I didn't get, Master. But Rahul has told me that he has given back to your wife. No, it is a lie. Neither I got it, nor my wife got it. Is it true? Promise on God. There is something wrong because even if his head is chopped, Rahul won't lie to me. Then am I lying to you? Maybe there are possibilities. If that is the case, let my head burst out. Did my head burst? No, right? At least do you trust me now? Then where did the jewelry go?
Suddenly, why you have come here? What do you want? Tell me.
Dad, I came.
Go out from here.
What mistake did I do?
What else you should do now? Mother and daughter are only here to scare me every time. Kill me and go from here. A person cannot be peaceful in his own house. What you are looking here? Get out from here. Go from here.
Mom, I think Dad has gone mad.
What happened?
He said we both are going to kill him.
Did he say that?
Whatever it is, you take care of this alone. I'll go to college.
Stop over there. Where are you going now?
College?
Where?
Didn't you understand? She told in English only, right? Why are you asking us so many times?
You shut your mouth.
Now I understand why did she say like that.
You don't have to go anywhere.
What are you saying, Dad? You don't want me to study?
As if you'll become big officer. I know that you're going to roam around with that master son. From here onwards, I will not let all those things to happen.
What is it you're talking?
I said it in English. Can't you understand?
No.
Then go from here.
Huh?
Then go from here.
Oh my god, what is it?
You also go. Where are you going? Not there. Go inside. Go. Whatever I spoke there, I think you have heard.
Yes, I heard.
Very good. I'll have to tell you more. You can hear that also.
Don't want. But I have come here to speak something else.
What is it?
Neelakantan Jeweler.
What you're saying? Shut up. Come here. Now tell me, what is your matter?
That Neelakantan
That
Jewelry.
Neelakantan's jewelry. I can hear. You tell me slowly.
You have told me that you have returned all the Neelakantan jewelries, right?
That's right. I have given it. Why I shouldn't give? If you don't want, I will not give.
But he hasn't got it.
If I give only, you'll have it
Then
right.
you haven't given it.
I have given.
He told me that he hasn't got it.
The thing is, she would have kept that in her saree's corner.
In the saris corner.
You stupid master.
Oh.
I came to say that she would have tied it in her saree's corner.
Then why wouldn't she tell him?
She doesn't want him to know. That is what females behavior, right?
Boss,
Huh? Oh God, he came to trouble me once again.
can I come there?
Don't want, you don't open your mouth, I'll come over there. Don't want, master, you be here itself, I'll come back again. How will I manage now?
Come.
Now tell me what is the matter.
Boss, that jewel.
Your wife's jewelry, after selling it to me only, you ate it, no? Why are you asking?
Not that, boss.
Then what?
Master told me that you have given it back to my wife.
I have given it.
But she's telling that she don't have it.
If I give only, she will have it.
Then
no.
boss hasn't given it.
I have given it.
She didn't get it, she's telling.
That is what I'm telling. If I give only, she'll have it. No.
Ravali, that...
You stay over there. I will come over there.
then what about me?
You don't have to come over
Here.
there. You stay here only. I will come back again here. Haven't she gone yet? Now you tell me what is it?
Ravali, please tell me the truth.
Oh.
Have you given the jewel to the Neelakantan's
I've
wife?
given it.
He's telling that he hasn't got it.
Now he's telling he's got it.
I told I didn't get it.
Don't want. You keep quiet over there. I'll come there.
Ravali, you telling that you have already given it and he is telling that he hasn't got it. Oh God, where will I go with this?
Oh God, where it has gone and hidden. I need to know
Even
that.
I am thinking of it.
Go, man. Go and find out. You go from here. When I own such a big house, I don't have to feed my wife and daughter keeping your jewelry. Do you understand?
Even that's what I am thinking. What is bothering the boss?
Get out from here, dog.
Master, did you hear what he said?
I didn't tell that to master. I'm telling you.
Master, what is it you're
Stop over
talking?
there. If it is necessary, I will only come over there. You go from here.
Are you doing a drama?
That is what. There is no role for the female in this drama. You go from here.
No, I want to know what it is.
When two men are talking, what is your business in between? You please get lost from here.
What is this? Rahul is speaking like this with his wife.
Master. I mean to. You haven't gone.
My jewelry.
First, you get out from here.
Boss, Neelakantan, have some patience. We will sort that out. Now you should leave in peace.
Master, you got me into this situation. Are you peaceful now?
Oh, Rahul,
Now
not...
you expect me to tell you to get out?
No need. I'll leave myself.
Master, please stop. You also please tell your son, looking at my daughter, if he starts waving his hands or legs, I will break his hands and legs.
Oh God.
How much trouble they give for me. Still, what are you looking over there? Don't you have any work inside? Get out from here. Mad female.
Dushanta. It is not the same thing that I've been telling. Now what I'm going to tell is something different. You have to forget your bond with Sumitra.
Why are you saying like this, Dad? But before this,
I have been told yes before, but now I can't. You have to forget that. A person who cannot keep up his words, his daughter can never become my daughter-in-law.
but Dad,
Your father decided this by thinking only. You have to follow this. You will follow this. You don't want to follow my words.
I have thought about it and made a firm decision. We're going to get married or else we'll die together.
Rahul, I was searching for you only. Hey, stop. Where are you going?
Oh God, this mad master, I don't think so he's going to leave me.
Rahuli.
What is it? 1,000 times I've told you that I've given that jewelry back to him, then why you are troubling me again and again?
Rahuli, I didn't come here to talk about that.
Then what?
Our children,
Uh.
they are very young.
Uh.
By discarding the written fate, they are flying in the opposite directions.
Tell me once again, who's flying on the opposite sides?
No one but your daughter and my son. Those young hearts, they are flying in dream cloud. No power can separate them from getting married.
In the middle of the road, you are speaking about the marriage, that too in poetic way. We still got time for that. When right time comes, let it happen or let it not happen. Let whatever it
Rahuli,
happen.
wait.
Your marriage happened,
No.
no? Your wife died, right?
Oh.
Now you are free, right? Now you be free only. Why are you so hurrying? There is no one here. It's me, owner Rahuli.
What do you want, sir?
For me, can you bring some water? Oh my God, please save me.
Water. Don't you want water?
No, I want. It is so sweet. They say there is a hand magic. This is that only. Normal water also. It is so sweet. Please wait. Your hands and neck are so empty. That Neelakantan sold everything, right? He even pledged waist chain, right?
Isn't that with you only?
Now, it is not in my hands. At home, I have kept it very safely. Savitri need not worry.
That chain is very important for me.
Oh no, why is it?
Because of some reason. Why do you need that chain for yourself? Can you give it to me, please?
I will give. In this condition, whatever you ask me, I will give you. Tell me, what do you want?
I need my chain only.
I will give. Tomorrow I will give. What else you want? Savitri, tomorrow I will give. Oh God, did I ask too much? Tomorrow in the early morning, you send Neelakantan to my house. Your waist chain, I will send it with him. Oh my God!
Boss, you got scared. Hey, this is me, Neelakantan.
You came here to scare me and kill?
Savitri told me.
To scare me and kill?
No, to collect the jewelry from the boss.
Don't use those words over here.
What not? The jewelry. What is your problem when I say those words? Huh?
I'm telling you not to speak over here. You're arguing with me. How much time to tell you? Today, see what I'll do.
Oh no. What are you doing here with this man at this age? And that too in the daylight.
Even I was thinking the same. Boss, what are you doing?
Go from here, you brainless fellow.
I won't go. About the jewelry.
Come to my farm.
Have you hid anything?
No, to dig and bury you over there. Get out.
I will give you the money. First give me the jewelry.
If I don't give, what you'll do?
I will tell Sarojani's sister everything.
Then go and tell.
What are you telling? If I go tell her, she will kill me.
In that case, this is far better than that for you. What is this, Neelakantan? Please understand my situation.
Boss, why don't you understand my problem?
Okay, tell me now. What is your problem?
I want my jewelry back.
That is my problem too.
Then give me that back.
Then you don't want waist chain.
I want the jewel. That is the problem.
Then that is my problem too. Listen, leave all that. Let my problem be like that only. Let your problem be like that only. To buy same type of waist chain, I will give you the money.
Huh?
You take the money.
If Savitri gets to know this, she will be sad, right?
Oh, don't confuse me keeping this waist chain matter. Waist chain is different, problem is different. Okay, take it.
But still, Savitri.
Take this. Go now.
It's been so long that I've seen so much of money. Oh, this is my house, right? I will always be my town's guard favorite guy. Even when I'm drunk so much, I'll reach my house safely. I'm glad the pillar is here. Oh God, everything is in your hands only. Oh, ayo! I feel like I'm seeing God only. Dear God, Savitri, how are you? Are you good?
Don't make noise.
Yeah, hold me. Oh, Savitri Devi. Oh, yeah. Oh, the bed is here. Can you lift my legs and
Whom
put this
did you
side?
go and drink with today?
One who works in the farm, Kadare.
Aren't you ashamed?
Not me, Kadare.
I asked you go and drink with everyone. Aren't you ashamed?
I didn't go and drink with him. He came and we drank together. Then he must feel ashamed. And as a Savitri.
I understood. I know where did you get the money.
The money? Money God gave me.
God?
Yes. We can see that God is called as boss.
So did you ask for my chain from that God?
I asked him. When I asked him, this is what he gave me. Take this.
Is it the chain?
According to me, this is the chain.
I'm asking where is my gold chain?
The gold chain. It is with boss, right? That's why he gave me money. While I was taking that money only, Kandaran came to me, spoke to me, and we together had some drinks. With the remaining money, I bought this.
Do you have anything left out from the money that he gave?
I have some coins in my pocket.
You could have got some poison for me to drink.
This chain is so long. If we use this properly, we can decorate the house so much. It looks so good. From where will I tie this?
What?
Is your name Shu?
No.
Then what you looking? Go. My goddess, for not giving the waist chain, are you praying the god to break my head? Savitri, till now I have not done any mistake. The money which Neelakantan asked me, I gave it to him. Let me keep that waist chain, no?
Why? Do you want it to tie it to Sarojini Akka?
No. Can she tie that to her waist? If she has to tie the waist chain, then it should be at least in half kg.
You should have bought it.
By saying that and this, you always spoil my mood. Today shall I tell you the truth? Standing like on ghost. Not here, see there. Savitri, shall I tell you the truth? If I sleep, I'm not getting sleep.
During old age, everybody face this.
Not because of that I'm not getting sleep. If I get the waist chain, everything will be solved. Will you give it to me?
The thing that you need now is not chain.
Then what?
Holy thread.
Holy thread? Why is that?
What else for? To tie.
Who are you going to tie it?
Come here.
Oh my God.
Savitri, you didn't give any reply. Shall I take the waist chain?
Isn't it with you only? Why are you asking me?
But still, without your permission, I don't want it. Savitri, tell me something and go. Oh, my beautiful princess, you only sleep with me. That devil is sleeping upstairs. Why are you not speaking to me? You thief! Why are you so much shy? You're only my beautiful princess. Let us both join together. You're only my gold.
Oh God, closing the door, you're doing this is what it is. Will you open the door?
Sarojini, don't break the door.
Open this door, I say. Open it.
Don't scream, I will open it.
Just wait, I'll see.
Why are you closing the door?
Where is she?
Who?
Just now you were talking to her, right?
Huh? I was just reading the book. Oh, Sarojini, I was just simply reading the book. That's it. That is why they say wives always doubts on their husbands.
Okay, then where is that book?
It was somewhere here only. The characters in the book were so alive. Might be
Where
they would
is
have
that
walked
girl
out
I'm
of the
asking?
book. The girl in the book.
Not about the girl in the book. Right now she was talking to you, right? That girl.
I think you have become crazy. What can I do?
What is that you're hiding?
Nothing,
it is there
nothing.
on your hip.
Nothing,
Show
nothing. I'm
me
telling
what
you,
it
no.
is.
No,
Show
nothing
me,
is
I
there.
say.
Please,
You kept
please.
something, I know.
No. I'm
Arre,
telling
show
you,
it,
there's
I say.
nothing. Please,
Show
please,
it.
don't touch.
I want to know what
no,
it is.
Don't
Come
touch.
here. Come here. Don't run away. I want to see it. Come here. What is
No,
it?
you can't touch. No.
Take it out. Take it out. I want to know.
No,
Take it
don't
out.
have to know.
What is it? Show
Leave
me.
it. Leave it.
Show me, I
Don't
say.
pull my
Leave.
dress.
Leave. Oh God.
I told you it will come off.
Wait. Leave. Leave, I say.
You leave.
Leave, I say.
I won't let you to take it.
Just leave. Let me take it. No. Leave.
I won't give you. You
Who's
go
that?
from here.
Leave it.
Go. Don't show your attitude
Let
to
me
me.
take it. Leave it. Leave it, I said. Leave it.
Leave.
No, just leave it.
I will not give you. It's not
No,
yours.
I won't
leave
let you take it. Leave
it's
it.
mine.
Let me take that.
Don't touch.
Come on, daughter, take it. Take it, I say.
No, don't come. Don't come.
Come here, you take it.
When you were young, I took care of you so much. Don't do this. Give it
to
me.
Mom, dear.
No, give it to me. I've
Please
looked
give it
after
to
you.
me.
I made you to grow big and I've looked after you so much.
Look, he has hidden
Don't
it
give
from
her.
us.
Give it to
So
me.
give it to me. You don't give it
her.
to him. I
give
want
it
to see
me.
it.
Don't touch. No,
Give here.
no, don't
Give
touch. Hey, it's mine.
Oof. Huh? This is a girl's jewel, right? Tell me truth. Who's this? Who's this, I ask?
That is the black guy with beard. He's so slim, Neelakantan.
Is this Neelakanta's?
Yes.
Then?
No. He's having one wife, right? Fair girl. Her name is Savitri. It's hers.
Oh, is it? Then tell me the truth. From how many years are you doing this?
What are you asking like this? Having such a beautiful wife, will I go behind someone?
Don't you lie to me. You were cheating me from so many years, right? I won't believe you anymore. You did cheat me.
No, Sarojini, I've not done any mistake.
I won't stay here anymore. Me and my daughter will leave this house and go. You bring her home and take care of her.
Sarojini, please listen to me.
Don't you dare touch me. Come, let's go. Until she comes home. Take this and keep it with you. Come, dear.
Where are you both going? They were not looking happy. Where are they going?
Let her go live. Let her get lost.
Oh, did you guys
Yes,
fight?
we fought and got separated. Do you have any issues?
Yes, I do have.
In that case, go and ask her.
Ravali, what happened to you?
In this situation, I don't know what to do. Please go away from here.
Sarojini, please wait. Why are you acting like fool?
I am not the one acting like a fool. It is him.
But what did he do?
What did he do, is it? In this age, he is lying to me.
He is lying to you. I don't understand anything. Please explain properly.
He is having affair with Neelakanta's wife. How can I accept it? You tell me, master.
An affair for Ravali with Savitri. I cannot believe this.
I just saw it with my own eyes. He was keeping her ornaments and was enjoying with it. What a mannerless fellow he is.
Whoa. What do we do now?
You don't do anything, sir. Me and my daughter will go.
Sarojini, he might have done this with foolishness. Why are you doing this? At least think about your daughter.
He never stopped me. Then what would you do?
Stay there. You have to stay there, Sarojini. Then only we can bring him to road.
This and all doesn't work, master. He's completely into her.
Whatever the issue is, we can solve it. Come, you get back to the house.
Get up.
Hey, what happened?
For God's sake, please don't beat me.
Why is he beating her?
No.
Stop,
Why are they
stop. What
fighting?
happened?
Shut your mouth and go.
How can I live like that? What did he do so that you are beating him?
I look at it.
Hey, wrestler, why are you beating owner Rahuli?
Do you know what wrong thing he did? Wrestler, please don't insult me. Then you only tell.
Don't fight. Stop it. Stop it. What is this, Rahuli?
Ayo, master.
What is this, wrestler? What is the issue?
When somebody is peeping when your sister is taking bath, what you'll do?
Beat him.
I'll kill him.
That is what I'm doing now.
Oh my God! Please don't do that.
Whom did owner saw taking bath?
Come on, tell me.
Neelakantan's wife Savitri is there, right? He was peeping her when she was taking bath. What should we do now? You tell me.
What you did was enough. Everything, just leave. Everything is finished.
Nothing has finished. It is going to start now.
Oh. Until that wrestler hit him, you all just kept watching him, right, master?
Simply, why are you talking so much? Even you also beat me and go.
Why are you talking like this, dear?
Sister Sarojini, even the Britishers gave Mahatma Gandhi so much of beatings. Did Kasturiba say anything? She tolerated, right?
Yeah, true. But I can't see taking all this pain, master.
In that case, if you can't take it, then sit over here and cry. I will sit beside.
This is all because of that Savitri only.
Please don't blame that poor girl, Sarojini. She's not done any mistake.
Did you see, master? Even now he is supporting that girl only.
Yes, I am doing. What are you going to lose?
What you got is not enough. They would have hit you more.
For her sake, I'm ready to get the beatings. I'm also ready to give my life also for her sake.
This is not right.
Eh?
What Mahatma Gandhi did for the nation, that is called as real sacrifice. Only that has got value.
Can you keep quiet for some time? How India has been linked to this?
Didn't I tell you, master? He is completely into her. She is given the chain to take control of him.
When people face challenges even in their room, chains will also look like snakes, I was going to tell. Did you see now?
Listen, I'm telling you this last time. Give back her jewel to her.
I'll not give. 3 times I've told you. What you're going to do now?
Look, didn't I tell you that he won't change, master?
Rahuli, that chain is landing you into trouble. You have to give it back.
Even the goddess come down and tell me to give her also. I'm not going to give the jewelry to her.
You mad? Because of that jewel, you have lost your respect.
Even anything happen after this also, I'm not going to give. I'm not going to give.
Hey, come out, man, wrestler. Neelakantan is here. Come out, man. Come out. The people who has eaten food from Rahul is still alive, man.
What does Neelakanta wants now?
I will tell you that. Do you even know whom you have put your hands on? It is on my boss. His heart is like a baby's heart. What did he do to you, man?
Without knowing anything, you don't speak, okay?
I know, man. I know everything. After taking lots of the whole village and roaming, if I go to his house only, I feel so much relieved. But you destroyed it. You destroyed the whole life. Do you even know about you and Savitri? The whole village is talking. I don't want anything. I don't want wrestling. Nothing I want. And even the money also. I will fall at your feet. Please don't destroy my family.
Nilakanta, I didn't come here to destroy your family. I want to make it right and help your family. I came over here.
Hey, who are you, man? Are you my father or my sibling? Today you hit my boss. What if you tomorrow kill me for the sake of Savitri?
Stop it. After marrying her, without looking after her, you have gone and pledged her jewelry. What kind of a husband are you?
Huh? How do you know my Savitri has got that jewelry?
Before you, I knew Savitri. When she was so young, from then I know her. Before my mustache grew, I was liking her. Only Savitri's face used to be always in my heart. From the school till the temple, I used to walk behind her. But the thing, I could never come into her heart. When I came to know that she was getting married to Elephant Caretaker, I left that place. You don't worry. Now she is like my sister. You asked me why I beat owner Rahuli, right? When sister is bathing, when somebody peeps, what the brother will do? That is what I did. I'm telling the truth.
Vani? Savitri? I can't see anybody.
Who's this? You came to talk about Ravalis, sir? What is this, master? My respect has totally gone because of this girl.
What are you even talking? Huh?
Why have you come, master?
Savitri, your husband Nilakanta has pledged your chain by taking it to Rahuli, right? It has to come back.
Master, that...
You should not even worry about the money also. At any given cost, we should get back that chain.
I can't take that back, master.
What is the problem? Did I say I won't give the money?
It's not like that.
Don't talk anything. Take the money.
No.
See how arrogant she is.
What is the issue, Savitri? Come on, speak out, Savitri.
That chain... Rauni sir has given money and made his own.
Ishwara, what am I listening?
I never knew this. Why didn't you tell me?
Go and ask your son.
If I hit you, then see.
Don't want. Because of this, you don't fight. The mistake is not this couple's.
Then who is it, master?
It's owner Rahuli. Who else?
How can we say that you have committed a mistake directly? How is it possible?
It cannot be said. Shut up and sit, man.
Okay.
You fool. He is a very good person.
Bullshit. Holding a waist chain in the hand, he was peeping a woman taking bath. You're taking his side and speaking.
He is not that type of a person, comrade. Whoever does this kind of act, we have to make them pay and we have to punish them.
Is it so? Is it so? Then come. We'll go and speak to him directly. What are you saying? I have to return the waist chain, is it? I have paid the money and bought from him, and I'm taking care of it. Don't show your bullshit in front of me.
Owner, I want to ask you something. You should have said this before getting thrashed by that wrestler.
Hey you, why are you speaking about him over here? Who is he? Huh? Waist chain is different, wrestling is different. Then what? In this waist chain matter, if outsider involves, I will stand next to my owner.
Why are you speaking like fool, man? If the insiders don't talk and solve the problem, then the outsiders will come inside. You know that? That's why we don't leave it like that.
In that case, call him. We'll see. If it requires, we will keep this wrestling and we'll solve this issue. Against the wrestler, our owner will wrestle. Don't worry about the owner's age. One more thing. If our owner Rahuli beats the wrestler, then the waist chain belongs to our owner. Do you accept?
Okay, we accept.
Yes,
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 we
yes,
do
accept
accept it.
For this village people, I will make you one promise. In this issue, this village peoples will never poke their nose. What do you say? Are you ready to wrestle?
I am ready. Oh my god! Enough! Rest will learn tomorrow. Please pull me up. Pig he kicked on my chest.
You should turn your body from left to right and twist his hand.
Turning the body, bending the hands, it's enough. I have learnt enough.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Wipe my back. What is it? Why have you come here?
I'm here to witness all the funny things you're doing because I can't see this after a while, right?
What did you say?
I said I can't see this after a while.
Listen, if you have come here to make any trouble regarding my daughter's matter, I will bury you over here.
From now onwards, who wants your daughter, man? You are preparing for a wrestling match in order to keep the waist chain of a different woman. Who wants to marry a daughter?
What did you say?
Son, don't do that. If you touch him, your hands get dirty.
Why did you come here? To ask my daughter's hand to your son? If that is in your mind, then you better forget that.
Who will marry this girl from this house, man? Even there is less money left. We live with respect and dignity.
Then why are you standing here? Get out of my house.
We will go. You disciplineless, mannerless fellow. Today the bond between us is really finished. Come, son.
Wait, master.
Don't waste your tears. Everything is finished.
Can we take a decision about our love life? Now where should I go? You should only tell me.
To your house only. Where else?
I'll not go to that home even if I'm dying. Before my father loses fighting that wrestler, I better go and die somewhere. That is what I'll do.
Sumitra. Are you willing to do whatever I say?
Yes, I'll do whatever you say. Whatever it is.
The competition for the waist chain is starting now. Wrestler, wherever you may be, please come to the competition right now as soon as possible.
Wrestler?
Oh my god.
Wrestler,
did he go?
if
He
you don't
hasn't come
come to
yet.
this competition right now, the owner Rahuli, who resides in this village, will be declared as a winner.
Hey, you call him first. Nilakanta, we have been cheated. Our wrestler is missing.
What do we do now? What will I do now?
Since the opponent is missing today, the owner Rahuli will be declared as the winner.
Hey, Nilakanta, you only get in the ring. Yeah,
Yes, you
go.
do. Yes, you have to do.
Only go and
Yeah,
fight.
man, you have to do. Go.
Your death is written in my hands.
Come on, Nilakanta, come on.
Sumitra? Sumitra?
Leave him. Not with him. I'm there. Wrestle with me. Hey. Hey. Come. Come.
Stop it!
You.
Stop it! Do you know the situation in your house? Do you know what is your daughter's position? She might lose her life now. Because of God's blessing, she is still alive. Go give her a glass of water. Are you really her father? If you have some love in your heart, go man. Go and give her some water.
Have you come to see if she's dead or alive? She's still alive. Still breathing more. If she's nearing death and she's reaching to God, then she shouldn't see your face too.
Sarojini.
Why did you even leave us alone? Because of her only, right? Then just go with her only. If my daughter is dead, I'll take her body and go away. But then, I don't want to see you. See your face also. Go. Just get out from here.
Master, I want to see my daughter.
You can see. As soon as she opens her eyes, she will start speaking.
Dad?
Daughter. Dad made a mistake. Forgive me.
Ravli! Ravli! Come outside. Let the village people see your face.
He won't come, man. He will be having good times with that chain.
Yeah, correct. You said it right.
Master, it is not right that you are coming out.
Hear to me, Honor. Instead of getting us irritated, please come outside.
Is there anybody who is perfect? He has also committed some mistake.
We don't need your advice. Immediately, we want a solution for this.
I have come here to solve everything. Nilakanta, you need the pledged jewel, right? I'm ready to return back to you. Whatever the loans he has, I will settle those things.